Number 1. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $3,500, Spring Branch, Texas. This 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is powered by its original 350 horsepower V8 that has been rebuilt and paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The body remains in solid shape with a clean title and rear-wheel drive setup. The interior requires restoration, but the car's foundation is strong. For classic Oldsmobile fans, this Cutlass offers a solid project base with much of the hard mechanical work already completed. Number 2. 1974 MG Midget, $5,000, Oakland Hills, California. This charming 1974 MG Midget represents the essence of the British roadster. Lightweight, fun, and engaging to drive. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it runs smoothly once started, though it has minor fuel delivery quirks. The orange paint, redone about 10 years ago, still shines with only minor scratches. The interior remains tidy, and the car retains a clean title. For an MG enthusiast, this midget is an ideal and affordable entry into vintage motoring. Number 3. 1978 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, $1,200, Denver, Colorado. This 1978 Jeep Grand Wagoneer is a rare early example of the luxury 4x4 that became an American icon. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and drives, though the body shows wear from years of service as a snowplow vehicle. The clean title adds value for restoration potential. While its condition is fair, the foundation remains appealing for anyone seeking to revive a classic full-size Jeep. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet C10, Big 10, $350 of $5,000, Muskogee, Oklahoma. This mostly original 1979 Chevrolet Big 10 Silverado pickup features a 350 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. It comes with its original paperwork and owner's manual, showing a well-preserved history. The truck drives well with newer tires, though typical rust spots and a non-working air conditioner are noted. With only 43,000 miles indicated, this truck is a solid survivor, ideal for light restoration or weekend cruising. Number 5. 1985 Buick Lesabre Collector's Edition, 6000 Pablo, Montana. A true time capsule, this 1985 Buick Lesabre Collector's Edition shows 104,000 miles and has been fully detailed inside and out. The original V8 engine and transmission perform well, while all interior components are operational. The paint shows normal wear, and the headliner sags slightly. The sail includes the original collector's leather portfolio and keys. With a clean title and minimal rust, this Lesabre remains a stylish and comfortable cruiser from Buick's elegant era. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet IROC Camaro, 9, Wichita, Kansas. This 1989 Chevrolet IROC Z Camaro is all original and powered by the desirable 5.7-liter V8 engine. It has only 60,000 miles and a clean title. Though it needs minor work after being in storage for 4 years, its originality and strong engine option make it increasingly collectible. The IROC Z remains one of the most recognizable performance icons of the 1980s. Number 7. 1976 Chevrolet Vega, $6,500, Anaheim, California. This 1976 Chevrolet Vega two-door coupe retains its original drivetrain, including the 4-cylinder engine and 3-speed floor-shift manual transmission. The car runs and drives, and the red paint gives it a sporty look. With a clean title and rear-wheel drive, it stands as a nostalgic piece of Chevrolet's compact car history. Its simple mechanical design makes it an ideal project for enthusiasts who appreciate 1970s American compacts. Number 8. 1979 Buick Riviera, $8,000, San Diego, California. This 1979 Buick Riviera runs, drives, and brakes well, powered by an Oldsmobile 350 Rocket 5.7-liter V8 paired with a THM 325 3-speed automatic transmission. The paint is brown, and the car carries a clean Texas title with current tags. Minor issues include low compression in 2 cylinders and a non-functional passenger window switch. Despite these small needs, the Riviera represents a luxurious and elegant personal coupe of the late 1970s. Number 9. 1966 Mercury Parklane Breezeway, $6,000, Kalispell, Montana. This ultra-rare 1966 Mercury Parklane Breezeway is one of only 8,696 built, with an estimated 70 still in existence. It features a freshly rebuilt 410 cubic inch V8 with less than 500 miles and an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives strong with its iconic breezeway power rear window intact. It needs interior and exterior restoration, but shows no major rust. For collectors seeking rarity and torque-rich performance, this Mercury is a compelling project. Number 10. 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 Coupe, $6,000, Hemet, California. This 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door coupe is a California original, powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission. The car runs, drives, and retains all working lights and even the original AM radio. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, water pump, brakes, battery, and full system flush. With zero rust and a very straight body, it's an excellent example of Ford's mid-size classic. Though the title is salvage and sold on bill of sale only, its condition makes it well worth consideration. Number 11. 1965 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $9,500, Orchard Point, Oregon. This 1965 Chevrolet C20 3/4-ton fleet-side long bed pickup features a rebuilt 307 cubic inch small block V8 and a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission with granny first gear. It runs strong and steers straight, with numerous new components including brakes, tires, clutch, and alternator. The body is solid with minor dents and rust spots. With its heavy-duty chassis and vintage styling, it's a durable and desirable workhorse for classic truck lovers. Number 12, 1955 Ford Delivery Wagon, $6,000, Aromas, California. This 1955 Ford Delivery Wagon is a rare and stylish two-door utility wagon that runs and drives. It is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and comes with new tires, fresh carpet, reupholstered seats, and a modern stereo system. The body and paint are in fair condition, and it includes extra parts. This model combines practicality with vintage 1950s charm, making it a solid driver or restoration project. Number 13, 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne 305 V8, $14,500, Bloomington, Illinois. This 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne is a driver-quality car featuring a 305 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The car runs and drives fine, though the red paint is weathered with dust, dirt, and cracking. The interior needs attention, including the headliner and seats. The body remains solid with a clean title in the seller's name. This Biscayne offers classic full-size Chevrolet style and is a great candidate for a straightforward restoration.